Hi YouTubers, welcome to Adventure Hunger. Today we're going to be making our delicious chocolate chip cookies, so let's get started. The ingredients we're going to be baking with are 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 egg, 3/4 cup chocolate chips, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 8 tablespoons melted butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating, in a large mixing bowl, add your melted butter, your white sugar, your brown sugar, and mix thoroughly. Once the butter and sugar give you creamy texture, we're going to add the vanilla extract and the 1 egg, and we're going to mix it thoroughly. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. We're going to add our flour, our baking soda, and our salt. Once the batter is fully mixed, we're going to add in the chocolate chips. Next, we're going to grease the pan, and we're going to scoop a small amount of batter and place it onto the pan. Make sure to leave enough space in between the cookies for them to rise. After the cookies have cooked for 9 to 12 minutes, allow them to cool and then enjoy. Thank you for watching.